Okay. Mary, hi. How's it going?
Fine.
What's your name?
Jason,
Jason, nice to meet you. I'm Gail. So do you think you can do it?
I'm gonna try.
You're gonna try? Have you been training? What have you done to prepare for tonight?
Nothing.
Nothing. Did you eat lunch today? Dinner?
No.
No?
No.
All right, so you're hungry, right? Okay, I'm gonna check in with you and see how you're doing. Hi, Wendy and Kelly. So you've been watching Jason? Yes. How's he doing?
Apparently really good.
Pretty good. Do you think he's gonna finish?
He looks pretty into it, so
I know.
crazy.
I'm rooting for him.
Fingers crossed, baby.
Okay, we're gonna check in with Jason and see how he's doing. Jason, you're making some really good progress.
Great, Gail.
How's it going? How you feeling? Are you still hungry?
I'm getting full now.
Yeah. I'm very impressed though. Great job. Jason, we're all rooting for you. Still got a lot of fries?
I just seriously thought of that.
And a little bit of time left, Jason.
No, I'm done.
What?
I'm done.
You're done? I gotta say that was a valiant effort, Jason. Very well done. And I really thought you were gonna do it. I'm disappointed, but good job. Nice try.
I'd like to know what those fries weigh, though.
A pound of fries, a pound of coleslaw, and
Is it a pound of fries before they're cut, after they're cut? Because it's totally different, right?